I have a big area of forsythia in my yard. This year we've had lots of rain. About a week ago I noticed these honey-colored mushrooms at the base of a few of the plants. I scraped them off. I am worried I will lose all the forsythia plants. Can't I use some hydrogen peroxide salt spray to stop this from spreading to the other plants? Will mushrooms growing on my forsythia hurt them? This is Madeline Haddonfield. So here's the question. Can she use hydrogen peroxide?
And
salt spray? Joellen?
No. In fact, there is a lot of plants that are, they specifically say these plants can stand salt for the coastal areas that have a lot of salt from the ocean. But having extra salt like that in the yard will do more harm, I think, to the plants than the mushrooms are doing. And I wish I had a picture.
Yeah, a picture would help.
Because a picture would tell us if there's mulch underneath it, and if the mushrooms came from the mulch, or if they're actually on the stems of the plant.
Right.
And
the forsythias? Yeah.
The forsythia. Did she say, okay, well, you know, I have forsythia too, and big, huge, big bush of it. Well, every few years we cut it down, and after it finishes blooming, as soon as it finishes blooming, we'll go and we'll cut all of them down and let them rejuvenate themselves, because they come from the base of the plant. Now, cutting them off, I wouldn't cut more than and leave maybe about 8 to 12 inches. You know, we don't cut them clear to the ground, but we cut them close, and then let them all rejuvenate. And I'm wondering if some of them, if there is mushrooms or something on the stems,
Right,
are they
the
old
second question.
stems?
Right.
Are they old stems? You know, have they been in there too long? Have you rejuvenated your plant yet? Because pruning rejuvenates the plant. Now, I don't know if it's in a lot of shade, but we have had a lot of water, and she's right. But I just wondered if there's mulch there, because could the mushrooms be coming from the mulch because we've had so much rain, or if it's actually older stems that are maybe need to be taken out because maybe that plant needs to be rejuvenated. I don't know. But that's what I do with mine. I do cut it down every few years.
Okay. Yeah. And I can see that being a concern for her. Anything to add to that, Mr.
And there is a fungus called honey fungus, which is armillaria, which does attack forsythia. So it could, but most of the time, or a lot of the times, it's injured from a weed eater injury or something like that. And I wonder if something like that could have been part of the problem too. But I don't know. Pictures would be good.
Picture would be good. Because again, you don't know if you have something happen to the plant itself or mulch. It's growing in the mulch.
Could be mulch.
So it's breaking down and decaying as well. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoy it. To subscribe, click below.